Okay, this video is going to be on how to track for consistency kills. So here you're going to go into our consistency kills tracking. There is a sheet per cycle. It gets a little funky sometimes, but you can really just see how you feel the best in tracking this. I'll show you a couple different options. So this is our current cycle. I need to rename this sheet so that it actually matches up. But this is our current cycle, and this is the leaderboard. It's only week 1, so that's this right here is top 10, and they have 5 check-ins. To get this information, you're going to go into Wodify. You're going to go over to the left-hand side, and you'll go into Analytics. From there, you're going to go into Reports, Attendance, All Attendances. Okay, this is where it gets a little bit funky. So I need to change the program to only strength and conditioning. And then I need to filter the date to whatever I need it to be. Okay, so I'm tracking this for the past week. I'm going to put past 1 week. And then I'm going to look at these dates and I'm going to go to my calendar and make sure. So October 14th to 20th. So 14th through the 20th. Typically, it does a pretty good job of entering in like I can do this on Thursday of this week. And if I put past 1 week, it'll still do last week, Monday through Sunday. Don't ask me why it does that, but it works pretty well. I'm going to update this filter. And then let's see, I'm going to... I don't think that matters. I can't remember. I guess I'll find out in a second. Okay, yes, so all of these people are strength and conditioning. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to download the results. I usually just do CSV. I don't know if that matters. I click it here in my downloads and drag it to my desktop. Okay, here I really wish that you could click this down and then like have it already organized. But if you organize it and then you download it, it does not organize it into the sheet. So you can skip that step. You're going to go back to the consistency kills sheet and you're going to go to file and import. Here, I'm going to click over to upload. I'm going to click and drag it in. From here, it's really important. I want this to insert a new sheet. And then I'm going to import my data. So here it gets real crazy. Here's the sheet we were on before. Here is this. The only thing that I need is this right here. So I'm going to delete this. I'm going to delete all of this. I'm going to delete this name. Then right here, I'm going to select this. I'm going to double click and I'm going to sort it A to Z. That way I have all of my names right here that I need. So right here, I'm going to copy this. I'm going to take it over to this new sheet. And from here, you get to really decide how you want this to be organized. I need to add these check-ins to these people. Sometimes I forget if I like took this person out and deleted it and then put it over here. So sometimes I'll just do like, okay, so see, she is right here and she is also right here. She got an extra check-in for something last week, so that's why there's 4 over here. This is attendance and this is totals. So I took top 10 from over here and I did not delete it. So really, I can delete these and that no longer matters. So now, let's see. I'm going to add these names to these names. I'm going to see that Amy Krebs had 3. So this is just how I do it. I copy, then I search and I paste. I'm going to delete her 3. Then I'm going to go find her over here and I'm going to add her 3. So now she has 8. You can kind of choose to copy this and take it over here. However you want to organize it is fine. Just know that I have not found a better system to doing this. If you have one, so be it. you have found a better way than I have, and I really don't enjoy doing this. I wish there was a better way to do it, but I cannot find one. Okay, so let's say I have added all of these and all of these together. So all of these names are gone, and I have a big long list of these. I'm going to go through and find my top 10 people. So I'm going to look, let's say I'm doing last week. I'm going to put Amy back over here so I don't get confused. I'm going to look for my highest number first. So my fives. I'm going to go through, I'm going to find all my fives, and I'm going to copy them, put them over here, and I'm going to start my leaderboard. Once I get my top 10 people, that's when I'm going to go post in the GroupMe. So I personally just, let's say, oh, it doesn't even matter. I'm going to open my lists or my notes. I'm going to type out my message. I'm going to say, congrats, guys, you're doing so good, blah, blah, blah. Then I'm going to here, I'm going to copy my top 10 people. I'm going to go back into my notes. I'm going to paste it. Then here, I'm going to select all of this. I'm going to delete that because I don't need that anymore. Then I'm going to go into the GroupMe. I'm going to go into HSTH or yeah, HQ. I'm going to paste it and I'm going to send it. And Consistency Kills is done for the week. This is done every week on Mondays, and that is how we track our attendance for the Consistency Kills challenge. At the end of each cycle, top 10 get added to a raffle. We run a raffle spinner and it spits out our top 10. It spits out the winner for our top 10. So let's say I just use one on Google. I usually use this one and it'll probably have my 10 people. Yep. So I'm gonna, whenever I have my final top 10, this is after the cycle is completed, I'm gonna come enter them over here. You can shuffle them or you cannot. Let's just shuffle them for the heck of it. And then I'm gonna let it find my person. Sweet. There's my person. So then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna say, congrats, Charmaine, you won the HST Consistency Kills Challenge. Pick your prize, text it to me, text it to Ash, whoever, and she will get your prize ordered for you. But that is how we track Consistency Kills each week. If you have a better way of tracking, please let me know. I have not found one yet.